What's happening, everybody? Today we're going to do another hard reset. Today we're working on the Oppo 5G A79. Pretty cool phone. We'll get to this in a second. Just a heads up, we are posting a ton more phones on hard resets and teardowns. So if you haven't yet, subscribe. Otherwise, let's get into this. Just want to give you guys a heads up too. As always, when you're doing a hard reset, you will delete all the data off your phone. So keep that in mind. If you have anything important, it will be deleted. And just note that. All right, let's get into this. So we got this nice Oppo A79, and this one has a pattern. We don't know what it is, so we are going to do hard reset. So first, let's turn off the phone. It's turn off the phone. You got to press volume up and power button at the same time. There's your power button, and there's your volume up and volume down. So hold both volume up and power at the same time. Turn that bad boy off. And then to do a hard reset, what we want to do is we're going to be holding the volume down and power key at the same time. Do it from this angle so you guys can see it a little bit better. Hold the volume down and if I can hold the phone. Hold volume down, hold power at the same time. Once the phone turns on, usually give it a couple seconds and then let go of power, but keep holding volume down. Then it'll bring you to this reset menu. You can use the volume keys to navigate and the power key is enter, or you can even use touch. So in this case, we're using touch. It does make you enter a verification code, which is just the code that it provides for you to make sure that you are doing a hard reset. If you have one of these phones and you have a bad touch screen, you're kind of out of luck because you will not be able to do a hard reset. So just a heads up on that. But as soon as you put the code in, data's formatted, yes, and then it'll automatically reboot. And that is how you do a reset on Oppo A79. This will turn on and get you right back to that welcome screen. And you can navigate the phone to the home screen and start over. If you haven't yet, like I said, subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff. Otherwise, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.